Hey guys, hold on, let's get this focused. Come on, come on. Here with Cheyenne.
Hey guys.
And guess what?
We're creating the logo.
We're creating. I haven't even mentioned that I'm gonna be starting my own business, but I want them to see your face.
Big things. Oh.
I hope it's good. But yes, I'm gonna be starting my own business very soon. And with the help of Cheyenne, she is gonna be creating my logo. This is what we have so
Creating
far.
the afro.
Let me turn it around so I can watch it. She does this, okay?
Yeah, book me guys. Book
Book
me.
her.
Book
Look
me.
at this. And this is only a...
This is just a sketch. We're not even done. We're not even done, guys.
This is bomb.
Hey.
Stay tuned. So basically my business is going to be the same beauty supply stores that you see in your local neighborhoods, but it's going to be an online beauty supply store, black owned of course, and you know, support black businesses of course. And yeah, so I don't want to give away too much details, but it's going to be so epic and I can't wait to launch this because it's going to be very, very exciting to have my first business. So stay tuned. So we got the logo. It's coming along.
We're almost there, guys.
Almost there.
Almost there.
I'm so happy.
We did this in a day, like a couple hours. That's
in like an hour.
crazy.
She did it in like an hour. Oh my gosh, I can't even say anything. I just gotta see.
All right, we're trying to find a nice font.
Yeah.
For her.
We got the notes there. We're working. We're working. The grind never stops.
Oh, okay. It has to be a different font.
I like it because it's small and it's...
Yeah.
So guys, guys, I cannot wait. I'm gonna have this, a big just picture of this just hanging
Yes.
up. Overall, like this is just that amazing. Yes, I like that.
You like that?
Perfect color too.
Right. We did it. You like that?
High five!
Hey.
We did it! Oh my gosh, look at it. I love it. Let's see that. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
You're welcome. Girl, anytime.
Y'all don't understand how excited I am right now. Now, let's to get this website. At least he told me about the priority mail thing. I gotta get this done. I can't pick it up. No, you have to do it online.
I mean, it's better to do it online.
Cause I was about to say beauty supply store. There's a post office around the corner of my house. I know I'm gonna be living in that post office now.
Yeah, you are. I was there every single day.
Should I get like for like packaging, like, or don't be extra, as in like little baggies?
That's always pretty to have those.
I know. Or should I not?
Like,
be so
I love
extra?
drawstring bags. That's like
exactly
a new
what
obsession.
I was thinking.
Drawstring bags are cute.